ऑनेस्टली शादी के बाद ऐसा कुछ बदलता नहीं है, लेकिन बच्चा आपकी जिंदगी में आने के बाद आपकी लाइफ बदल जाती है. यू नो, इफ देयर आर किड्स इन द हाउस एंड दे विल से ओके मेहमान आए हैं पानी लाओ, इट विल ऑफन बी लुक्ड एट द गर्ल सेइंग दैट तुम लेकर आओ. सो द कंडीशनिंग स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम दैट.
Yeah, somewhere I also want to use your platform अगर कोई देख रहा है that I'm actually very funny and people need to see that and people need to know that about me.
अब तू जा लंदन जा अमेरिका जा जितना पढ़ना है पढ़. जिस दिन तू फेल हो गया उस दिन तू गैराज में आ जाएगा और गैराज में गाड़ियां धोएगा.
आजकल की माएँ तो बस काम पे ही चली जाती हैं और कुछ करती नहीं. हम बहुत कुछ करती हैं एंड हम करते हैं बिकॉज आवर पार्टनर्स आर डूइंग इट.
डायरेक्टर का नाम जो है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि फाइनली उसी को बनाना है सबको लेके. तो कई बार ऐसा भी देखा गया है कि अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट का सत्यानाश कर दिया गया.
Then they told me that Kunal is single papa, so I was like, oh.
Every Punjabi mother in India is not the same.
Correct.
She'll come with her own qualities and inhibitions and confidence, and you will have to imbue that with some honesty.
और एक एंगल और भी है कि अगर बहुत ज्यादा बोरियत होने लगे तो आंख बंद करके बस ध्यान करने का कि कितने का चेक आ रहा है.
बट सब वही फिर बोलते हैं कि इसकी तो हर शो में शादी हो रही होती है, तो शायद I'm heading towards that अभी.
I think a father silently does a lot without asking for recognition.
I could not do anything without my husband. Like from day one, whether I had a cesarean, whether I was tired, whether the emotional support, and whether he said I didn't even know how to be a father.
I feel that it's the mothers who will lead the future.
Yes.
In a way that I am coming from a place where for me a woman and man is pretty much equal.
रिस्पेक्ट फॉर वुमेन. लड़कों को घर से जो है बचपन से जो खुश हो जाते हैं ना, हमारा लड़का हुआ है लड़का.
Hi, मैं हूँ कुणाल केमू.
Hello, मैं हूँ आयशा रजा.
मैं हूँ मनोज पाहवा.
मैं हूँ प्राजक्ता कोरी.
And I'm Neha Dhupia and we're on Fever FM with Stuti.
मेरे पास माँ है. सिनेमा ने हमें ये तो सिखा दिया, बट आई थिंक इट्स रियली रिफ्रेशिंग टू सी कि बच्चे को बड़ा करना इज ऑल्सो पापाज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. आई एम हियर विद द टीम ऑफ सिंगल पापा, कुणाल खेमू, आयशा रजा, मनोज पावा, नेहा धूपिया, प्राजक्ता कोहली. वेलकम टू फीवर एफएम.
Thank you.
तो मेरे पास पापा है.
आपने सिनेमा की बात की तो हमारे पास मनोरंजन का बाप है.
Tell us what has been the biggest pull when you got the chance to be a part of something like this.
I think कहानी सबसे पहले आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अपीलिंग लगती है. After that the cast and like you said, you know, I feel that किसी भी रिलेशनशिप में जो you know वो कहते हैं कि शादी के बाद क्या बदला, but honestly शादी के बाद ऐसा कुछ बदलता नहीं है, लेकिन बच्चा आपकी ज़िंदगी में आने के बाद आपकी लाइफ बदल जाती है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस शो में आपने ना सिर्फ कि हस्बैंड वाइफ की ज़िंदगी में क्या होता है, पूरे परिवार की ज़िंदगी में एक बच्चे के आने से क्या उतार चढ़ाव होते हैं, एक तो वो है. और इस कलेशी परिवार की ज़िंदगी में एक बच्चा जो इसका अपना नहीं है, जिसे अडॉप्ट करना चाहता है, उसकी वजह से क्या उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं एंड हाउ दे मनूवर थ्रू इट. वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, बहुत ही. और आई थिंक ह्यूमर इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू काइंड ऑफ टेल एनी इमोशन. आई ऑनेस्टली फील एंड आई थिंक वो उसकी लिखाई में बहुत अच्छा था, विच इज़ द बिगेस्ट ड्रॉ फॉर मी.
Amazing. Aisha ji.
Same thing. I think they called me in for the meeting, and the moment they started narrating the story, I was like, "This is amazing." I was sold like literally in the first 10 minutes. I was like, just the concept. I hadn't read the script. I hadn't read the screenplay. Nothing. But I didn't need to. It was so beautiful. And then the cast. When I heard that this was the cast, I was like, I'm sold. I was just really excited to be part of something like this. And I think it's been a long time since we've had a good family drama on an OTT platform, and kudos to Netflix for backing this project also at a time where we're looking at a lot of crime and a lot of, like, you know, it's very heavy content, but I think this is a really nice refreshing break from all of it. And I think it also, along with the comedy, there's a lot of like emotional content, and I'm not trying to sound corny, but it's not in a cheesy kind of a preachy way. It's more like it's very organic, the way the emotions flow between the family members.
Manoj ji.
हाँ, ऑलमोस्ट वही बात है कि अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट और अच्छी कास्ट. इसके साथ मैं ऐड करूँगा कि डायरेक्टर का नाम जो है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि फाइनली उसी को बनाना है सबको लेके. तो कई बार ऐसा भी देखा गया है कि अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट का सत्यानाश कर दिया गया. तो वो भी एश्योरेंस ये था कि शशांक था तो हमें पता था कि यार ये इज अ वेरी वेरी गुड डायरेक्टर, तो ये मजे से करेगा इसको.
Amazing. Neha.
Well, I think एक तो जब इंसान चौथा या पांचवी बार आंसर कर रहा होता है ना वही क्वेश्चन तो देखा हो चुका होता है
उसका रस निकल चुका है।
But you know, to be honest, मेरे लिए ये था कि my biggest thing is कि I've done very little work in fiction. So जैसे उन्होंने बोला ना Netflix, तो मुझे लगा oh my god Netflix, this is amazing. Like this is where I want to be, right? I want to be here in this office, doing these promotions, having things कि ठीक है सब संभला जाएगा. ये नहीं है कि लोगों को बताना है भाई ये निकल रहा है हमारा काम आ रहा है अच्छा काम आ रहा है. And then of course you know director and writer and even Ishita Mohitra's writing on this has been so amazing. So you know like I just feel like when you're writer and your director combination and कहाँ है कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म है आजकल वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Correct.
So that was a big like check you know off my checklist ki okay this is what it is. And then they told me that Kunal is single papa. So I was like, oh,
पड़ोसी आ गए।
दोस्त के साथ काम करने को मिलेगा. And then of course look at the cast, it's amazing. Look at all of them. Yeah, like I mean, I'm nobody to like say नहीं मैं नहीं करूँगी if this is the offer made to me. So yeah, it was a great offer.
प्राजक्ता.
Same. Everything that everyone said. I think the only small thing I'll add is कि मैंने कभी comedy नहीं करी थी outside of my native YouTube universe. इधर उधर थोड़ा बहुत जो भी हो गया और अगर करनी भी हो तो I don't think there's a better place than this. So I think that was quite interesting for me.
Tell me, you know, especially मेरा ये सवाल आप लोगों से इसलिए है because कितनी बार हमारे यहाँ पे difference है between star and character actor, right? और हम बोलते हैं typecast हो गए parents, you know, play Punjabi parents, do this, do that, be this friend, be this person. How do you then make sure that you are not getting bored to be playing these characters?
I don't know, every experience is different. I feel that again, if you keep looking at it like a burden, okay, this is a Punjabi mother or Punjabi father, which him and me are constantly playing these characters. But if we don't have the chops, the acting chops, to find differences in each of those, not every Punjabi mother in India is not the same.
Correct.
She'll come with her own qualities and inhibitions and confidence, and you will have to imbue that with some honesty. And I think that's when it's a very small, fine line, because we don't get to do too much on the set. I don't think it's given a lot of weightage के अब इनके ऊपर focus किया जाएगा. 90% when you're playing character actors, you are taken because you know your job. You'll come, you'll deliver, you won't waste the producer's time, and you'll go home. अब उसके अंदर आपको क्या ढूंढना है वो as an actor आपका काम है. So I don't feel that you should be allowed to be bored. I think as an actor you should keep challenging yourself that if I'm presented with the same part 5 times, what can I do? Yeah.
Manoj, you want to add to that?
वही बात है कि उसके अंदर जो है आप अपना कुछ ढूंढते हैं और अपने आप को फ्रेश रखने के लिए कि परफॉर्मेंस में और अपने एटीट्यूड में कोई
अपने कैरेक्टर के लिए एक पैग वो आप ढूंढते हैं या आपको यू नो द डायरेक्टर
एज एन एक्टर आपको भी काम करना पड़ता है डेफिनेटली विद द अप्रूवल ऑफ द डायरेक्टर एंड द राइटर कि भाई मैं ऐसा सोच रहा हूँ इसके अंदर ये थोड़ा सा कलर डाल देते हैं तो अगर वो अप्रूव करते हैं तो वो हम लोग तो इस तरह की चीजें होती हैं इस तरह की एक्सरसाइज होती हैं.
के ऊपर भी डिपेंड होता है ना कि आप मैंने कभी कुणाल के साथ काम नहीं किया तो आप हमने बैठ के एक्टिंग करने से पहले कोई डिस्कशन नहीं किया था कि मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ आप ऐसे करेंगी. वी नेवर टॉक्ड अबाउट इट बट द मोमेंट यू वेंट ऑन द सेट ऑर्गेनिकली you are it's also a give and take, it's a response mechanism, right? So if he was throwing something at me that was surprising me, so I could not afford to be mechanical in my approach because now he's surprising me, so now how do I reply, right? So I think that was interesting with this particular cast. I think there was a lot of very organic give and take, तो वो बड़ा मजा आने लग गया था while we were shooting, which is not very often, I can in my books it doesn't happen very often.
Amazing. नेहा
मुझे कई बार ना वही कड़क रोल्स मिलते हैं and sometimes I feel like you know it's just let's just succumb to the director and the writing feels like okay let's just have her as you know the antithesis or the antagonist or all of that. It's interesting but somewhere I also want to use your platform agar koi dekh raha hai that I'm actually very funny and people need to see that and people need to know that about me and like you know let's just normalize someone who looks like this who can be very funny like even if the joke is on me. I'd like to make my pitch here. So like right now I'm doing 3-4 things and I'm really enjoying it. They're all very very different and for someone who's coming from like 4 years of no work to then you know doing this and you know another outing and another outing which is you know similar but yeah like I genuinely feel that, you know, if I can come on this side as well, it would be nice for me.
Yeah. And it's so important because लोग एक ही angle देखते हैं.
Yeah, which is
You
not
look
bad.
like this, you must be this person.
Also, I want to tell you that, you know, 20 plus years in the business, there's a huge blessing, and at least from where I see it, from my lens, there's a huge blessing when the phone rings, you get called to work, and they think that, you know, when they say you're really fit for the part, and you're like, यहाँ पे आपको audition भी नहीं करनी है, ये भी नहीं करना है, and you like the script. So yeah, there's a big plus, and I'm always counting my blessings, but the greed is always there that let's, you know, flip it and, you know, play the happy parts.
You know, Prajakta, in so many ways, the graph that you've had, that's literally the roadmap for so many content creators today, that it's amazing. She did a YouTube journey. Today, you call yourself an actor. How do you think, now you're on the other side, right? A lot of people say, "Arey, logon ko kaam mil raha hai," you know, they're well-known people, that's why they're getting this work. And you've done enough work now to actually, without missing a beat, say, I'm an actor, this is what I do. Is it easy for you, or you also have the same challenge कि यार ये मुझे एक ही ढांचे में देखते हैं?
मुझे वो डर था, आई रिमेंबर, क्योंकि बिफोर मिसमैच्ड एक दो जो ऑडिशंस आए थे ना, वो बड़े सिमिलर थे, एंड उस टाइम पे मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि यार ऐसा ना हो जाए कि इसी में टाइप कास्ट के लिए ये बबली है, ये, you know,
number of actors I have interviewed who hate the word bubbly.
Oh God, it's my tagline for #bubbly.
Bubbly, it's terrible.
They hate the word bubbly.
ये बड़ी चौपी है, ये बड़ी गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर बबली. शुरुआत में एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ था कि मुझे नहीं आ रहा है इसमें मजा, कोई बात नहीं. And then Dimple came, which is my character in Mismatch, and I was very surprised because बिल्कुल बबली नहीं है. फिर उसके बाद जितने भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिले वो अलग थे, जो विच वॉज वेरी सेल्फ अश्योरिंग फॉर मी ऑल्सो, ऑनेस्टली, क्योंकि मैं ये लेके चल रही थी कि मैंने कहा हो सकता है कुछ टाइम तक ये वैसा ही चलता जाए, जब तक आई मे बी लाइक, यू नो, प्रूव माई मेटल और लाइक गेट पीपल टू सी मी इन डिफरेंट लाइट्स. बट आई वॉज एक्चुअली वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर द फैक्ट गेट व्हाट.
Yeah, it's okay.
Cut, edit.
We'll move on.
For the fact that
Who is this person? Who is this person?
और एक एंगल और भी है कि अगर बहुत ज्यादा बोरियत होने लगे तो आंख बंद करके बस ध्यान करने का कि कितने का चेक आ रहा है.
एक बात आज सुबह पढ़ा है.
बेस्ट आंसर.
क्या पढ़ा?
ये कि पेचेक वाली लाइन.
बट बहुत सारे ऐसे काम भी हो.
बिल्कुल.
Pay your bills,
Everything doesn't have to be like.
Yeah, I remember reading this one line that Kareena said many years ago. She's like, either you work for good work or you work for a great paycheck.
It's really good. I know. So you must finish that.
yeah. So the fact
Kunal,
that
that is very good. Yeah.
Thank you. So the fact that I get these opportunities or these audition calls is also like it's very reassuring for me. So I was worried about it, but अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है वैसे.
Amazing.
But सब वही फिर बोलते हैं कि इसकी तो हर शो में शादी हो रही होती है, तो शायद I'm heading towards that अभी.
Or probably that's working in the film. That's a superstition.
You're a festive actress.
You know, you, Kunal, also have been very honest about your journey, आपकी directorial debut के साथ. That time also you spoke about this. Because in your profession it's so much about projecting कि image कहीं गड़बड़ ना हो जाए, लोगों को ये ना लगे कि मुझे as an actor काम नहीं मिल रहा, मैं direction कर रहा हूँ. Now you're, you know, back as an actor. How does that change? I always ask Coco this, and she says, you know, I to switch off. I'm very glad I'm not the director, and I'm only an actor, and I take care of my character.
Yeah.
For you, does it help or Konkona?
Oh.
I read your lips there. Konkona Sen Sharma said that. But how is it for you, Kunal?
I think it's very interesting that I've had that journey. मुझे अब ऐसा लगता है कि कभी-कभी पहले before I got the chance to direct my own film, as an actor sometimes you have your own interpretation, but you have to understand that the writer has had a vision to kind of like, you know, how to make it, and then the director and writer have together formed that vision, and sometimes your inputs, even though if they're welcome, they don't set the mood for them exactly how they want to. तो कभी-कभी आपको ऐसा लगता था कि यार चलो ठीक है, but वो दिल में रहता था कि यार इसको ऐसा कर सकते थे. Which I think now, because I got the chance to be a director and I could do that on my own, that's satiated. So now when I come and be just an actor, I'm very happy being an actor and completely taking my lead from the director. Of course, I have my one or two additions that I make. If they work for them, then that's fine. If they don't, I completely respect that. So I don't feel that I have that urge or like that irritation anymore sometimes saying that the background could have been like this or that because I feel like I'll do it on my own time, and here I'm just to be an actor, and I take a lot of pride in being that, and I enjoy myself being an actor.
You know, a lot of you here are parents, okay? This is of course a fiction show. I actually want to know that, when you're a mother, when you're a father, we know primary caregiver, mother, society expects mother, questions to female actors, how do you manage bacha and career? Things really don't change that much for the man, you know. Do you see a change, a subtle shift happening? Yeah, we're still light years away from that.
I mean, I have a different point of view on this. I feel that mother will always be the primary caregiver because she feeds the baby.
Agreed, but only sole responsibility.
No, but it's not the sole responsibility. But I'm saying the definition of primary caregiver has to be looked at in that perspective. Because often what happens is it's very easy to take a stand where it becomes about male bashing very easily and very fast, and we kind of go there. I think a father silently does a lot without asking for recognition. Whether it is, I'm saying simple things. You say, oh, you are out working, but he's also out working so that he can provide for the family, because a lot of times mothers take time
These days
off.
even mothers do that, but they face discrimination even at work.
I'm coming to that, but I'm saying discrimination will be faced when you look at the numbers. If you're talking about 10 people who live in a society, you will have a different consensus. But when you talk about a country which is about 1.6 billion people, then you'll always have stories of discrimination, you'll always have stories of equality and inequality. But I'm saying that this is all based on the information that we receive, sometimes only limited to the social media that comes our way, and sometimes the commentary is only dictated by this few who choose to take that stand constantly. Whereas I feel the people who have a very stable and healthy lifestyle don't feel the need or urge to say that, oh, we share this responsibility together. That's a broader understanding of what I have on this system. But having said that, I do think that it takes, like it said, a village to raise a child. It takes a family to raise a child. I do think parents, like mom and dad together, are sharing responsibilities. There are parents who are taking kids to their, whether it's a game or a recital or piano practice, or even dropping them to school, or sometimes just being home dads. And the woman goes out and works, and the father is staying at home. And I think as responsible people who have a platform, we need to talk about these stories also as much as we talk about discrimination, so that the future generation knows that the change is in play. They should not ever feel that there is only negative thing that is out there, and men are like this and women are like this, and there's only discrimination that exists, because the narrative on that is far more spoken than the narrative on the fact that the change is in play.
I could not do anything without my husband. Like from day one, whether I had a cesarean, whether I was tired, whether the emotional support, and whether he said I didn't even know how to be a father. He says, you expect that you see the baby and you have a bonding. He said I had no bonding. I just knew that mechanically I have to fulfill this duty. And he said it was much later, until my son started responding to him, he had that first moment of feeling like a fatherly emotion. He said, but till then, he was so much more hands-on than me in the first 2 years, because I don't think I had the physical energy to do it. But I know that the moment my son is 16, so the teenage thing, the moment I have something, all I need to do is call, and there's always a sane voice sort of, doing something together. So I know that my husband and me, it's an invaluable contribution. Like for me, it's like a completely together exercise of raising my child, along with, of course, everybody else that comes with it. Yeah.
And may I just add to that, I feel that it's the mothers who will lead the future in a way that if you see certain households, unless the mother changes this attitude of saying that ki beta ye tera kaam hai aur ye tera kaam hai, nothing will change. I grew up in a household where my father would cook, we would wash clothes together. That's why I'm saying I am coming from a place where for me a woman and man is pretty much equal. So for me to understand this narrative which exists is slightly tougher to say, because I have no relatability to that. But I do know that it's the mothers, the dadis, the masis in a household who sometimes will be like, if there are kids in the house and they'll say, okay, mehman aaya, pani lao, it'll often be looked at the girl saying that tum lekar aao. So the conditioning starts from there.
Yeah.
If you change that, it'll all change. It's not the men who are men now, it's the kids who need to kind of learn this from their parents.
It's the newer,
I also think, what he's talking about, and I'd also like to add to that, because we also come from an entirely nuclear unit with a boy and a girl at home. And I always say that I'm a working woman. We have very young kids at home, 4 and 7. And the one person who empowers me to work every day is my husband, because the days that he is working, those are the days that I try and balance it out, and I feel like a large part of balance comes from your partner. So then you stay at home, and then the rest of the days then he's at home. And also what ends up happening, like to take from what Kunal is saying, is that as women we need to break the chain. So I'm just going to break this down a little bit. I was raised by a working mom, and of course my dad was, in the Indian Navy, and of course his work expected him to travel. There was sea time. He was on ship, and finally I saw my mom giving up her career because she had to raise us. And I feel somewhere very consciously she kind of has, she saw me going to work, and then वो होती है ना एक सिक्ख्या that तुम्हें ये नहीं करना है, तुम दोनों कर सकते हो. And the fact that our daughter and our son is seeing, mother, father go to work every day, mother, father, doing things. So sometimes I'm driving them to school, and sometimes he's staying at home, and likewise sometimes he's away. So I feel like this nuclear unit, like this generation, this working generation की वो, आजकल की माएँ तो बस काम पे ही चली जाती हैं और कुछ करती नहीं, हम बहुत कुछ करते हैं. And हम करते हैं because our partners are doing it. So I feel like it's that whole waking up of parenting and co-parenting that's happening, and this shift will make it way easier for the generations to come, and the dads will make it easier, which is important.
Amazing. Which guidelines seek from your parents did you find the hardest to follow as a kid? कि कुछ वो बोलते थे जो नहीं होता.
I remember
पढ़ाई करो.
मम्मा क्या?
I have one. Yeah, waking up. Like I would never make it to the
सुबह
school
उठो.
bus. I'm a 4G kid who would never make it. My dad was driving me to school. He's like, what happened? But I just couldn't wake up, and but I'm on time now everywhere, so it's fine.
प्राजक्ता?
I think for me, my parents ना हर रिजल्ट वाले दिन पे मुझे मेरे बाबा और मम्मा मेरा रिपोर्ट कार्ड देख के बोलते थे कि एवरेज मत रहे, तू बिलो एवरेज हो जा या अबव एवरेज हो जा, डोंट गेट स्टक इन द एवरेज. एंड आई used to always be like कि is this a trick question कि अगर मैं ले आई 42% तो डांट पड़ जाएगी. So then I would always strive to go above the 65. It worked in a weird way, but it took me really long to figure out what this means.
I was a boarding school kid, so for the longest time now I had rules only in school, so I don't remember.
Okay. As a parent, or when you become a parent, what's the one thing you are definitely going to insist on कि मेरा बच्चा ये तो करेगा?
Play sport. Very important.
Just try everything, like
everything.
food-wise and experience-wise.
Yes,
just try everything.
that I think I will second that.
Yeah, that, and
Absolutely.
for us definitely play sport. Sport is just conditioning of another, it's discipline, it's emotional, physical, different kinds of strength. It teaches you competition. It's so important in life, like playing sport.
Okay, share a funny or a weird rule जो आपके parents had for you at home as a kid.
Funny and a weird rule.
Funny or weird?
I don't think my parents had a
I
sense
don't
of
think
humor.
my parents had rules. Yeah.
कुछ भी करना,
मेरे घर में इतने rules थे नहीं.
फेल मत होना, कुछ भी करना 34 ले आना, 33 ले आना, फेल मत होना.
I don't think my parents were bothered. I think they were in their own zone only. मतलब तब मैं थी, मैं पल गई and बहुत अच्छे से पल गई with a lot of love and a lot of support. But I don't think they were very worried about following me. So it was like I don't remember rules.
मेरे फादर का बहुत क्लियर था, वो शोले का डायलॉग ना, जब तक इसकी तब तक तेरे पाँव चलेंगे. मुझे नहीं पता भाई यार तू कौन से स्कूल में क्या है, क्लास में जाता है क्या नहीं, जिस दिन तक पास होता रहेगा मैं पैसे देता रहूँगा. और तू जा लंदन जा, अमेरिका जा, जितना पढ़ना है पढ़. जिस दिन तू फेल हो गया उस दिन तू गैराज में आ जाएगा और गैराज में गाड़ियाँ धोएगा. तो कई बार ऐसा होता था.
ये भी अच्छा मोटिवेशन.
9th क्लास है, अरे भाई दोस्त को बोलता था यार पढ़ा दे, कुछ आ जाए 30-40% पास हो जाए, नहीं तो फिर वहाँ ड्यूटी लग जाएगी. तो उसमें उनका बड़ा क्लियर था, मैं कर लो भैया अपना.
Okay. If you could change one restriction अपने बचपन से, एक चीज जो बदलनी चाहो वो क्या होगी?
मेरे तो थी ही नहीं, मैं कहाँ जाऊँ?
मेरे भी actually
No restrictions.
No
Amazing.
restrictions, नहीं थे.
Okay, some things that parents forget to teach but actually you feel is very important.
रिस्पेक्ट फॉर वुमेन. लड़कों को घर से जो है बचपन से जो खुश हो जाते हैं ना, हमारा लड़का हुआ है.
The only thing I don't know, हाँ.
वो जो सोसाइटी में जो भी हो रहा है आज, वो हमको बचपन से अपने उनको रिस्पेक्ट फॉर वुमेन सिखाना चाहिए. और वो तभी हो सकता है क्योंकि पेरेंट्स देखते हैं कि वो अपने पिताजी को अब शायद कम हो रहा है धीरे धीरे, लेकिन के वो किस तरह से माँ से
Yes.
कर रहे हैं ट्रीटमेंट, तो वो ही सीखता है। या जैसे आपने पहले पॉइंट आउट किया कि घर में मेहमान आए तो वो लड़की पानी
पानी
लाई,
दे रही है,
मतलब वो
exactly,
उसको कि भाई तू क्यों नहीं ला सकता। सो दैट शुड बी देयर फ्रॉम राइट फ्रॉम द
The beginning, yeah.
Nice. That's a mic drop moment. Thank you guys. It
Thank
was really
you.
fun and
Thank
really
you,
looking
Stuti.
forward to this.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you.
Thank you.